welcome back to Helen's How To's, and today's video I'm going to show you how to get the perfect ponytail really quick and really easy. So I have just done a high pony with a very normal band and I've put it in quite tight here. What I find is if you just loosen it a little bit and then re-pull the ponytail, can you see it's just instantly giving it that boost? But here's my tip. These gorgeous little things I have bought from H&M. They're not very expensive. And when I first got them, I was like, oh, what do I do with those? So I've had quite a few people actually comment on these and say, oh, that's nice. Where did you get that from and how does that work? So I just thought, well, I might as well do a little video on it. So once you've done your ponytail with your normal band, you're then going to go over with the bulk of the scrunchie part, and you can do this in two ways. You can either then take the two bits that are dangling down and tie them behind, such as that, and then they can just sort of subtly show underneath, like that one there. Or you can untie that. If I untie it, you can tie it at the front like that, and there you have it. It just adds a little bit extra to your ponytail, really quick and easy, and then you can get different ones and coordinate them with your outfit. So this one I think goes quite nicely with this top. That one I think would be a bit much. A bit of pink there, maybe if I'm wearing a pink top, or maybe a little bit of black. So they all work really well, and I'll show you another hairstyle as well that you can also do, adding the hair scrunchies in. They look really good with a bun as well. So I've done a pony normal band into a pony first of all, and then I've taken it and I've just wrapped it around the bun. You could actually just have it dangling like that, or you can take the two bits again and just wrap them around. Looks cute. For a cosy night in with the girls, I've gone for a comfy plait and I've just colour coordinated it with a comfy slouchy top. You can even get matching ones with your daughter before you go out for the day. So we're off out into town in a minute. If you liked this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. There's other videos as well, beauty related and lifestyle related, if you're interested in watching those. Thanks guys, bye!